How to remove Messenger account from device. Now this process is very easy. All you have to do at first is of course open up your Messenger application and make sure that you're logged in into the account where you would like it to be deleted. Now take note that as of the moment, if you're currently logged in into the account that you want to remove, you'll have to switch to a different account at first so that you can remove it. To remove it, all you have to do is just simply to swipe going to your left. And then the deletion option is usually located at the very right portion of that account name. Now, if you would like to remove the main account, then all you have to do is to log in into your Facebook application. From here, go into your profile picture, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and then go into settings. Next is go to see more and account center. Scroll down again, go to password and security. Scroll down, and then under security checks, all you have to do is to log out from the current device under where you're logged in on Messenger. And that's it. That's how you remove Messenger account from device.